take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about self-care and creating a relaxing spa mood in the house. I love watching this kind of videos. Hope you'll enjoy it too. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It will mean a lot to me and it's absolutely free. This quick skincare routine is something I try to do every week. This is part of my self-care routine, and no self-care is complete without nourishment. Be it nourishment of soul, nourishment of body, nourishment of your skin. So I start by cleaning up the surrounding space and adding some feel-good elements. For me, it can be flowers, candles, or diffusing any kind of essential oil. I also like to prep some fruits or any kind of refreshing drink. This particular day I am not diffusing any oil. I had some leftover mint stems and fruit peels, so I'll be just simmering them to create a nice soothing aroma in the house. This is perfect when you can't light a candle or you just want to have a nice aroma all over the house. Creating spa vibes is something I really enjoy. I add different relaxing elements based on my mood, and music plays a very important role in that. So, playing a relaxing playlist at the background works like magic every time. And this is a very basic skincare routine of mine, and I like to follow it at least once in a week very thoroughly. And like in any skincare routine, exfoliation is the first step. My skin has been reacting very badly of late due to the weather change. I'm getting acne and rashes all over. So the face mask and the products that I'll be using in this video will be solely based on how my skin was feeling that day. In order to remove the dry flaky skin, I'll be using this holy grail product of mine. Absolutely love. I shared this product on my Instagram a few days back, and trust me, it is that good that I recommend this to people. This is the Body Shop Pure Resurfacing Liquid Pill, and it's very easy to use. Just gently rub it on your skin and take your time, and you'll observe that all the dead skin will literally start peeling off, and you can actually see them. And you can immediately feel that your skin has smoothened out a bit already. Once I'm happy with it, I'll just wash this off with water and pat dry. And I'll just prep my skin for the second cleanse. So to do a second cleanse and remove the leftover dry skin residue, I usually do this extra step. For this, prepping my steamer. I have had this for years now, and it is such a handy thing to have. I'll also link it down below in the description box if you want to buy it. We all know the benefits of steam, and I'm using a micro cleansing foam that I had already, and this helps in deep cleaning my skin and take care of any residual dry skin that I might have. In case you are following this routine, you can use any scrubs or face wash of your choice, and if you're not using liquid pill, you can just start with the steamer and then start exfoliating your skin for better cleaning. I use the steam for a few minutes and I try massaging the face with the cleanser, and it kind of also takes care of any kind of blackheads, whiteheads that I might get. So yes, this is a very basic step, and I keep on changing the products based on how my skin is feeling that day, and so on. So in case you want to buy any one of the products, I'll link everything in the description box, so don't forget to check that. When I'm done using the steam and I still have the cleansing foam in my face, I try to use the razor. This kind of makes it easier to remove any kind of upper lip hair or eyebrow hair that I might want to do that day. Or I sometimes just use aloe vera gel after this step and then do the hair removal process. For eyebrows and upper lips, I use this kind of razor. I don't do eyebrows and upper lips at salon, so I try to take care of them weekly, and this is part of my skincare, and of course this is also part of the exfoliation process. This kind of razors work perfectly for me, and it's very handy to use and portable, and also these are great in case you want to remove your facial hair. Once I'm done with this, I just wash it off and pat dry. After this step, the skin is always super smooth. It's just that your skin is deeply clean. Now to soothe the skin after all this exfoliation and cleansing, it's time for a nice calming mask. So this is a mask I make like every other day. This is my go-to, and when I'm confused like which mask should I use, I just go to this mask every time. And yes, this is the same one which I shared few weeks back on my Instagram. I love it so much, and it suits every skin types, and it can take care of any skin problems that you might be having. So it's basically just equal proportion of honey and aloe vera gel. Just make sure to take a good quality honey and good quality organic aloe vera. So I just mix them well until I get a homogeneous serum-like or a gel-like consistency like this, and then apply all over the face using a flat brush or this kind of silicone brush kind of thing. This mask, as I said, is my absolute favorite for immediate results. Plus it's also very easy to make, and there is no chance of any kind of reaction. So in case my face is already irritated or having some kind of pimples or dry skin, then this mask just works like wonder. And using the same mask, what I do is just add a little bit of sugar, preferably granulated sugar, and then mix it well with the mask, and then rub it on my lips, like massage very gently to remove any kind of dead skin, or the skin around the lips tends to um, get kind of pigmented. So this kind of sugar scrub really helps in taking care of those. And yeah, this is the same scrub that you get in the store at much higher price, and you can easily make this at home. So I'll highly recommend you to try this mask. And yeah, with the leftover scrub after applying on my lips, what I usually do is just rub it on my hands and massage it really well. So this kind of also acts like a hand scrub, and you'll immediately feel the difference. I usually keep the mask for around 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off and pat dry. So the extended version of the skincare is already done, and then I immediately move to my daily, like the regular skincare routine. And depending whether I'm doing the skincare during the daytime or night, the product also changes accordingly. And since it was evening, so I'll be using my night creams and all. The thumb rule that I follow for any skincare routine is to apply the eye cream first after washing off my face, because the skin tends to dry up and we don't want our skin around the eyes to dry up so quickly. So I have made it a routine to immediately apply eye cream after washing, and this is the eye cream that I am currently using. I have not used this one for a longer time, so I can't comment on how good this is or not, but I have heard great reviews for this, and it's perfect for nighttime. I usually apply a serum first on my skin before anything else, so I'm applying this vitamin C collagen serum. We all know the benefits of vitamin C, and there are multiple ways to incorporate vitamin C on your skin, and serum is one of my favorite ways to do that. And make sure to apply some kind of sunscreen the next morning in case you are using any kind of vitamin C products at night. And not to forget our brows. So this is another habit that I have developed over the years, to apply some kind of oil, specifically castor oil, at night time on my brows. And we all know the benefits of castor oil. It helps in the hair growth and all those kind of things. So yes, you can also apply this on your eyelashes. I do that too sometimes, but not always. And a great tip is to store the castor oil in kind of used brow gel containers, or you can also get this kind of containers in Amazon or any kind of stores. Following up with moisturizing, so starting with the lips, so I usually use Carmex, and I have been using it for many years now, and it's my go-to for any kind of lip issues. And then followed by any kind of night serum or night creams that I'm currently using. So that's it. This kind of concludes my skincare routine that I follow weekly and sometimes bi-weekly, and it's a nice self-care time that I truly enjoy, and it's very relaxing. Just create some good mood around and just take care of self, hydrate, and give some self-love. So on that note, signing off today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you enjoyed my video, then please let me know in the comments and like the video. And until next one, bye bye.